that had electric brakes on it, I wouldn't need this. I'd already have a 7-pin plug to go in there. Now let's go ahead and get the chains attached. Now, I have a locking pin to hold this in place. Now, a lot of people are saying, oh no, no. You cross your chains like so that in case this comes off the ball, the chains will catch it and hopefully keep it from dragging. Obviously, you want to make sure your chains are not going to drag on the ground, creating sparks, especially as it is rather dry around here.